Okay guys, so before this tutorial starts, I want you to check out RaymondDigital.com. It's basically a website where you can get like really awesome high quality intro templates that are really easy to edit. All the info is in the description down below. What's happening guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to a brand new Sony Vegas tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to edit music and sound effects. So let's say that you have a video and you want to spice it up a little by adding some music, or you want to switch to another cut with a sound effect underneath it. I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now in this video, so I would say make sure to smash the like button down below already, and I would say let's get started. So as you can see right now, we are in Sony Vegas as always, and this is basically one of my outros. If I play it back, as you can see right now, it is just basically a very old outro of mine. I think I would say like at least 6 months old. And I'm going to show you guys how to add some music and sound effect underneath this. So as you can see, it looks very weird and, you know, static with only like visual that you have something right there. So I'm going to add in a little bit of music. So I'm going to open up a folder right here where I have all my music stored, which is this one. As you can see right, I'll open it for you guys. So this is basically my folder with all my music. Obviously it's all no copyright sounds because that's basically the best source for copyright-free music. So I'm going to just drag in a random song right here. Boom. I'm going to lower the music a little and let's listen what it sounds like right now.
So I said no, it was supposed to be my pentakill. Why did you do that to me? I killed down no 1, 2, 3 for champions. I can't believe you're trying.
Okay, so that's our song. So let's say that we are going to cut away right here. Okay, so I'm going to cut away right here. I'm going to pick the drop and I place that under my outro. So let's see what it sounds like. So that's our outro. So basically, that's basically how to add in music. It's really simple. You just want to drag it into your timeline. And if you're afraid of, I know you guys have seen the video. If you guys are afraid to drag in things into your timeline because it might crash, you can also just go ahead and go up to File. Right here, you want to pick import, click on media, and import it that way. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add in a sound effect. Now I already have a sound effect folder also open right here. I did my preparation. So this is my folder, as you can see, also my sound effects folder. And if you guys want to go ahead and download this folder with all sound effects you can imagine, whoosh transitions, stopping, sensor beeps, everything you can imagine, even like farts, this kind of like that one. You can go ahead and check in the description. I have a download link so you can go ahead and download it for free. But as you can see right now, when I scroll at the bottom, I have whoosh transitions number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to pick the second one. That's my favorite. So I'm going to drag it also into Vegas. And you're all thinking like, dude, Vegas can crash. Why are you dragging in? Well guys, if you're dragging like a sound effect like this, it is not big of a deal. If you're gonna drag in a 4K 60 FPS 1080p video file, that can cause a little bit like stress on Vegas and it can crash. But for like those really small things like a song or sound effect, you should be fine. So basically what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and cut from right here to right here. So I'm gonna place those guys over each other. As you can see, it creates a crossfade like those two lines. Then I'm going to match this sound effect on there, and let's see how it looks. I'm going to lower the music a little bit and let's match the transition with the sound effect.
A few moments later.
That's how you add in sound effects. Of course you can do it like with different transitions like crossfades. So that's a really simple method to add in sound effects and spice up your video. And I already can hear you guys like, dude, you're uploading videos that you did in the past because you're running out of ideas. No, people have been requesting this, like how do you add music in there, how to make an awesome montage, how to add sound effects. So this video is not like the same as I did like I think last year almost, like in Sony Vegas 13 how to do this, because people have been requesting those things. So I'm making videos, so I'm not actually running out of ideas because I have like almost 150 videos all about this entire program. So I'm not running out of ideas at all. I'm just listening to subscribers and see what they ask. So that's what I do. So that's pretty for you guys. That's how simple it is. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for subscribing. And we are only a few hundred away from 70,000 subscribers. It's crazy, guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you guys for the opportunity. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new Evolving into Better YouTube episode, as always on Thursday. Always on Saturday rather. So thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys tomorrow. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the like button down below and also subscribe button at the bottom. So thank you for the continued support. If you want to see more content, make sure to click right here. That's it for today. Thank you guys and I'll see you guys tomorrow.